Assalamu alaikum. Hello dear viewers, welcome back to another video. I hope you enjoy this video. Today I watch you some colorful fish. This is exciting moment, and there are some snake-headed fish are try to again his best want to go from here and trying best, but he cannot success. Oh yes, beautiful fish, excellent moment, moment is wonderful. The scary moment is scary. You can enjoy this fish jumping. I think this snake-headed fish is trying to jump. Yes. Looking good, mashallah. Excellent moment, Carrie. Beautiful. Some colorful fish are here. This one want to try go from here. Oh yes, this is not tilapia. This is excellent colorful fish. So this is snake-headed fish. This is golden color fish. This is another golden color fish. This oh yes, playing well. Oh yes, this white color fish looking good. Mashallah. I hope you enjoy this video. Please carry on and looking good their activities. How can they are playing well. This is playing well played. You want to see? Are you enjoy? No. Why? Hi, Mama. Don't give. Okay. This is very disturbing. Oh. This is golden color fish. Oh yes, I want to catch a golden color fish. This is excellent. Yes. See you next video. Allah Tata. Bye. Take care.